So we are saying, no, let's look to the future. Let's look forward. What should be done? And we know with regard to Mr. Trump and the Trump administration, Mr. Trump works in terms of let's make a deal and let's put a deal on the table. That's what South Africa should do. South Africa should come to the United States and propose a deal, but it should be constructive and positive. From our perspective, there are huge opportunities in South Africa for business to do business. We should not have a situation where it's being seen as how do we negotiate aid. Forget aid, we should talk about trade. And from our perspective, the first absolutely important thing in such a deal should be, we've got a problem in South Africa called load shedding. It means there are not sufficient power. And South Africa was an exporter of energy and electricity. We don't have. From time to time, there's no electricity. So we've got a huge number of coal-fired power stations. Let's start there. Let there be agreement that the ANC that from the United States, that companies can come and assist to refit those outdated power stations. Let's start there. That could develop into a nuclear program with nuclear energy creation in South Africa. And from the one thing after the other, that will bring us to infrastructure. US companies could come and assist in terms of roads, the ports, huge infrastructure. And remember now, there's a huge deficit in terms of investment from the United States into Africa in comparison to what China is doing at the moment. There's an opportunity, huge opportunity that can be done to take things forward in that instance. Once we've done that, and if you look at the whole question of our fixed investment in terms of infrastructure and those kind of things, there's a huge deficit. South Africa is currently at about 10%. Developing countries like us should be at around 25%. There's a 15% deficit. That can be turned around in a positive manner if we can get that kind of agreements in terms of trade, get US companies to get and become involved. And you know, the spin-offs, obviously, job creation, millions of new jobs can be created. South Africa can prosper. We can all benefit by that.